Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube episode number 57, Sanskriti Kolkata's first episode on Kutch work. So let's start. Product number 1 is on Bangalore silk. Kutch work is a very special traditional art from the land of Kutch, the district Kutch in Gujarat. So they have this beautiful needlework done in silk or cotton with mirrors. Few motifs may be with mirrors or maybe without mirrors. So this is in pure Bangalore silk, and this is the beautiful geometric needlework done in poppin blue. All handwork in pure silk. Product number 1, 7,950 rupees, 7950. This will go, the lines will go throughout the sari. Here is the blouse piece. Just see the lovely blouse piece. It will be in both the hand, both the sleeves, and also at the back. So this is the sari. Lovely handwork. It's a beautiful art form done in pure Bangalore silk. Product number 1, 7,990 rupees. Now comes mustard. Same price, almost 7,950 rupees. In case I miss out the price, or maybe the price in the description is the final price. So if you like the product, so please take the screenshot of the product and message me in the WhatsApp number provided below. This is the pallu part in mustard color, done in black and white with mirrors. Totally thread work. Just see the big pallu, lovely pallu part, and throughout will have the mirror work border and buta. Pure silk, pure Bangalore silk. This is the blouse piece. It will be only in the sleeves. This is the sari. 7,950 rupees. Product number 3, burgundy color, 7,950 rupees. Till the hip there will be this temple embroidery, temple motif, temple design. Here goes the pallu. This is the back. I'll just show you one sari back part. This is the pleats. The pleats will be in stripe patli pallu. The pleats in stripes, and the rest of the body will have the buta. So it's a patli pallu concept with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Product number 4 in navy blue, 7,950 again. Border concept, rich mirror work, broad border in the lower part and sleeker border in the upper part, because the blouse will also have the border. So this is a very smart looking sari. Just see the mirror work, so much of hand embroidery done in pure silk. Very soft, lightweight and very comfortable. It has a lovely fall. Even though it's mirror work, these are actually, we use mica to keep the weight very light. Mirrors tend to add to weight, so nowadays we are using mica only. It has a very sleek, narrow border. You can wear a mustard color blouse and use the border, or mix and match with the blouse piece, make the sleeves with the royal blue and the body in mustard also, or even white, but white I would prefer a mustard instead of the white. See, it's a lovely concept of mirror work, Kutch work sari. Again another in dark blue, navy blue, 7,950 rupees. Each design will be different from each other. All over butta. This again partly pallu. Half sari will be with butta. The rest half, the pleat part, will have this stripes, see, and then again the booty, and then the blouse piece. I'm trying to show the sari each after draping also, so you can be sure how it looks after draping. Even the embroidery I'm showing you close up, so not possible ma'am to show again the picture in folded part or all. So whatever you're liking, see, I'm showing you from the front. After draping also I'm showing you, so whichever you like, please take the screenshot and then WhatsApp in the 2 numbers provided. Once I give you the payment details and receive the payment, the products will be shipped. No orders will be taken for these, one piece only, because these are handwork and these cannot be recreated. The same thing cannot be recreated. This is the pleats. It's a beautiful rich dark navy color. It's just blackish blue. This is the blouse piece. Very soothing combination. Now comes totally different concept. Mirror work done in hand and the embroidery, the thread work in machine. Pure tussar Kutch work. Very smart, sleek, multicolored border with all over tiny mirror work. Pallu, 10,350 rupees, 10,350. It's in dual tone lime green color in pure tussar. This is the look, but the twist lies in the blouse piece. Here comes the rich Kutch blouse. Just see the thread work in the back. You can make the front also, whichever you like, the sleeves. So this is the Kutch work blouse piece with this sari. You can make the front part also with this. Back open and then front full embroidery, or the back with embroidery, front you can make it with the piping. Both will look nice. In narrow border, I've got another combination, 10,350 in midnight blue and magenta. See the rich embroidery. I've done the embroidery very sleek, pure tussar with very sleek thread work, mirror work, and with contrast blouse. So it gives a very smart look. ₹10,350 in pure desi tussar. I'll show you the blouse, how rich the blouse is. These are actually concept saris, See the blouse piece. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata by courier. Courier charges are applicable for all products. The charges depend on weight. It depends on weight. The more you buy, the less you pay for shipping, especially internationally. When shipped internationally, it's better to buy 2-3 at a time. Your friends can club in also to save shipping. This is in rich maroon, reddish maroon. It's actually red color with olive blouse piece. It's deep red, not maroon, it's red actually. But since it's in tussar, it will be not very bright, loud red. It's a very lovely muted red. And this is the Kachwork blouse piece. See, olive and red. Very smart look. 10,350 again. Olive and red in tussar. And the last piece in this concept, product number 10. We do have tailoring unit, so you can come and give your measurements, or even we have the pattern given to you. If you give us the measurement following the pattern, we can stitch the blouses and ship it. It will take 2 weeks time approximately. 10,350, product number 10 in yellow. This is also a very soothing yellow. And blue. Yeah. See the rich embroidery in blue. You know something, I was just thinking, suppose you make the blouse a bit longer, little length, now you can wear it with, skirts also. These blouses have such rich thread work, you can wear it with skirt and a flared skirt with this blouse, and just take any dupatta with this, so many colors, lot of dupatta. I'm sure you will have it at your home, any bandhej dupatta also will look very, very pretty with these blouses and skirts. You can have multiple options. You can just do a different kind of styling with this. Product number 11. This is a totally different concept, very new. You know why I waited for this Kutch episode? Because I was just thinking to make something little different, not the regular ones that are available usually. See, this is pure tussar. I've done bandhej in this. This is pure hand bandhej with mirror work, Kutch work in the border. How do you like this? Just leave a comment if you like it. So I'll use my brains to create more. I'll work hard on my creations. 10,950 rupees in pure tussar, hand embroidery, Kutch work with mirrors. The pallu will be in Gujarati stitch, Kutch work, and the body will be in bandhej. It's shades of green, just 2 colors I've used. Bottle green and dark green, more or less bottle green, with parrot green border and blouse piece. This is the look. So few colors I've done in this, all single pieces. Number 12, 10,550. This is in peacock blue. More or less deep turquoise with magenta. Bandhej in tussar. So there is a lot of process, somebody is doing this bandhej thing, and then somebody else is doing the dyeing, somebody else is doing the embroidery in it, and then polish, then piping. So there's a lot of teamwork involved in this, and you're supporting so many karigars by buying each product. So thank you for that. Thank you for your love and support. 10,950 rupees in turquoise blue and magenta. This is the look with, of course, magenta blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Both the sleeves will have this thread work. This is the soft, lightweight. My tussars are all desi tussars, so it will have a very good fall and it has a very rich look. If you use good quality tussar, the color is also comes out very bright and nice. The product number 13. Magenta and dark magenta and leaf green. Pallu 10,950. The whole sari will have the same concept because these are all, designer fusion collection. This is the blouse piece. All single piece, so please, it's all first come first serve basis. See, I'm showing you many colors, so you have options. Like suppose, I think all the colors are, uncommon combinations, black and turquoise. How do you like this combination? At night with silver jewelry, it will look very nice. 10,950 rupees. Black and turquoise blue. Pure tussar bandhej with kutch work in hand. Handwork. It's all by handwork. This is the blouse piece. Very smart looking sari. And then number 15 also is very pretty because this is in purple and magenta. Now this purple and burgundy color is so in now. See? Same price, just the color changes, the design is also same. Here is the fall. Yeah, I'll just show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece in magenta with thread work, and this is the sari. Now comes tussar with kutch work, but not in dyed concept or bandhej concept. Product number 16, 8,990 rupees. Very sober color combination. Now from bright, this is coming a bit sober taste. The color is rustish peach color. It's deep peachish, neither brown nor actually peach. It's a very unique shade that has come in dyeing a beautiful tussar sari with handwork. See the kutch work. 8,990 rupees. 8,990. Very sober, especially for corporate wear also. For doctors and teachers, even if you are attending any occasion from school or from workplace, this is a very nice sari because it's sober at the same time. It will stand out in the crowd. And there is a very pretty blouse with this. The sleeves, the back, it's fully thread work with mirrors. I'm fumbling. This is also a rose pink, pale rose pink, 8990. In pink. It's a pale rose pink color with mirrors, handwork in pure tussar. Very sober color. Actually, these are not too loud, not at all too bright and loud, but these are very classy and the shades are very muted shades. See the blouse piece, very rich embroidered blouse piece. So this one again you can make it the front part or the back part, both will look very nice, but better to make the back part because the front part it will be fully covered with the pallu part, so better to make the back part of the blouse that, and the front you can make it low neck. A rich combination of slate and multicolor, 8,990 again. those were in self color. I mean monotone, single thread color had been used in those two previous tussar Kutch work, but this I've used multicolor because it's in slate. In tussar with rich thread work blouse piece. This is the sleeves, sleeve work, the back work, this is the second sleeve. Product number 19 in dark wine color. Pure tussar, 8,990, sleek border, and again the rich blouse piece, sleeves and the back. We have two branches in Kolkata, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Our working hours is from 10 am to 8 pm and Sundays we are closed. So when you are messaging on a Saturday evening or a Sunday, so the messages reply will be slow. Within 24 hours you will get the replies. Before it was within 1-2 hours. So I'm so sorry it has been extended to 24 hours because within an hour I'm getting more than 600 to 700 messages, which mostly I myself try to reply and I mess up probably. So please bear with me and thank you so much for your patience, for your support. This is the look. For any calls, you will not get that 7603042696 number. That is only for WhatsApping. For any further queries where you have to call, then kindly call in the other number that is provided, the 98311 number. This is the blouse piece for this saree. It's in bottle green and dark maroon color combination. This is also a very pretty combination in tussar. Product number 21. Since these have come in the last moment, so I am adding a few colors to this episode. In dark turquoise blue, 8,990 rupees in dark turquoise blue, all over butta, and it's a very rich color combination, and also the blouse is also very rich. Product number 21 with blouse piece. All these are very rich blouse piece and very rich pallu. The border and the butta, I've kept it sleek so that the blouse and the pallu stands out. And it's very comfortable also, you know, too much of work here, there, it doesn't look nice. Not necessarily there has to be too much work. These concepts are very classy concepts because the blouse, I've highlighted the blouse and the pallu, which is the main part of a sari. Now 8990 in wine color and red. I'll just show you the blouse. Yeah, this is the blouse piece for this. The back part and the sleeves. Wine and red color, rich wine color. And the last one, I'm sure you would love it. It is in lovely brushing color printed tussar with Gujarati work. Kutch work done in pure tussar, silk tussar. Just see the color combination, it's lovely brown color, and the print is also done. First the block is done and then the brushing is done by hand. This is the pallu. 9,500 rupees single piece, 9,500 in light mocha color, coffee color, light brown color, chocolate kind of a color. Oh, I'm loving talking of chocolates. Here is the blouse piece. Printed, block printed blouse piece. Soft, lightweight and a very smart looking sari. 9,500. Just before ending, let me tell you about my sari. It's in pure Bangalore silk with multicolored Kutch work. Numerous colors of thread has been used to give it a very rich, bright look. There are more pieces of the same product, but please note, maybe this flower will be, little changes will be there in the thread work. The color combination, maybe this flower will be yellow and this one will be red. But the total concept will be same in multicolored because all the threads that has been used are rich and bright. Price 8,900 rupees with running blouse piece. It has a black blouse with the same border. The neck piece that I am wearing, this is 2,200, only the neck piece. Ghungru neck piece, premium oxidized silver, and the pair of bangles with filigree work, it is 1,350 rupees. So once more, let me show you the sari that I am wearing. Again, when there are more pieces in this, but each piece will be slightly, maybe the border color or slightly changes in the thread work, but the pattern and design will be the same all over butta. It's a lovely piece, 8,900. Thank you so much.